Hello everyone. So we are going to go through how to initiate and format a new SSD or hard drive that you may have put into your machine. I put one into the machine that we're going to be looking at. One thing I want to show you guys before we begin, if we open up the File Explorer, you see my C drive, but you don't see that new hard drive that I put in. So I'm going to go ahead and minimize this. The first thing we're going to do, we're going to go down to the Windows logo, right click, go to disk management. You're going to get this pop-up. This pop-up is saying, hey, I see your new hard drive or your new SSD. Do you want me to initialize it? Now you'll see that there's two options for MBR and GPT. Just go for GPT. That's going to be the best thing in 9 out of 10 scenarios. Don't worry about MBR. Click OK. Now you may have more than one disks. I only have two, my main hard drive and the new hard drive that I put in. It's only 2 gigabytes. What we're going to do, we're going to right click, go to new simple volume, next. It'll show you the size of your disk, next. Here you can pick a drive letter. C and D are reserved by Windows. So you can pick anything else in the alphabet. I'm just going to leave it on E, go to next. Leave it at NTFS, leave it at default. Here, go ahead and give it a new name. I'm going to call mine example. And you can leave quick format, that's fine. Just leave that alone. The file and folder compression, don't worry about it. Next, finish. Oh, and it already popped it up. So here it is, example. There's my new hard drive. And I can go ahead and start using it. So I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave it in the chat section. I'll try and get to them. Other than that, like, subscribe. Thanks, guys. Bye.